Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set spawn point in Solarpunk. First thing I want you to do is make sure you research the bed, use a research table, and then you come here to the crafting table. And here under decorations, you should actually find the bed. You just need wood, cloth, and cotton to craft this. And remember, this can only be placed on floors and under a roof. So if you try to place your bed out in the open, it will actually not work. And then you just go ahead and equip your build hammer and open the build menu. And you just go ahead and build a house starting with the foundation. Go and have the walls right there. You can have a door. Make sure you have a roof. Just use a flat roof right here with some on the sides for the ends, just for a little decoration, but this is not really necessary. And once you're done building the house, what you want to do is go inside, and here you can see we are able to place the bed. So once you place the bed, you just go up to the bed and you go up to the pillow. Now you can set your spawn point just by pressing E. As you can see right there, this is going to be our respawn point. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching.